It's our fourth day here sa Japan. Ba? 22, 23, 24, 25. Yeah, 25 today. Last night again, hindi ko na natapos yung vlog ko. Hindi ko nalagyan ng ending because I suffered, well, hindi yung severe pero I suffered cramps. Napaupo ko dito sa mga 2 to 3 streets away. Nung patawid na street, bigla nag-lock yung right leg ko. So I had to rest, and then last night nilagyan ko na ng mga parang salon pass, and then eto late ako tumayo ngayon kasi I needed rest talaga. But eto na, we'll have breakfast lang muna, actually brunch na to, and then tsaka magpunta sa mga planned na trips. I'm planning to go sa Yodobashi ngayon, and then mapampasalubong siguro, bibiling ko na rin ng Team-Tech. So, ayan. We'll see you dun sa Nakao kung saan kami mag-brunch. Guys, ang bilis dumating yung food natin. Meron tayong chicken, soft boiled egg, beef suki, and hot udon. We will be going sa Nambayasaka Shrine ngayon. Tapos na kayo mag-breakfast via Yotsubashi. May konting detour kasi after mag-breakfast kailangan ko mag-toilet. Kaya bumalik kami ng mga 4 minutes walk. So ngayon baba kami at Yotsubashi Station, then baba ng Namba kasi nandun si Nambayasaka Shrine. So here on our right is Nambayasaka Shrine. So we're having coffee muna to cool down. It's called AUF Coffee. It's here behind the Nambayasaka Shrine. So we have croissants, coffee. Ganda yung place. Very cozy. So I ordered yung East Timor coffee nila, iced, and then sila lang nag-matcha milk. Tapos umorder kami ng chocolate croissant na sharing na lang. Grabe init. Tumutulo pawis ko sa loob ng damit talaga. Hi guys. I'm having this East Timor coffee. Yung pinaka parang notes niya is chocolate, red globe grapes, and pecan peanuts. So hindi siya ma-acid na coffee, but full body yung taste niya. Let's try. It's this one. we are done sa cafe, we will now go sa Yodobashi. So we will be riding the train again and then Midosuji line, tapos baba kami ng Umeda. Dun, malapit kasi ako binili ito kahapon. Ilang tao? Limin only talaga? Dali. I'm in Yodobashi, you know, grabe. Very addicting yung mga earphones at lahat dito, lahat ng gadgets. It's like a one-stop shop for everyone. I'm now trying tong Sonos na mga speakers. Manood ako nitong Top Gun. Only in Yodobashi. So may budol na naman. Nakita ko yung Oakley na it's either this one or ito. Pero mas more into this ako kasi yung frog skin style ko na hinahanap to. Let's sell by this one. So I'm getting the Oakley. Pakuha lang ako ng new stock. Yay! Can I try? Yep. Perfect. Perfect. Perfecto. Yep. Perfect. Okay. I'm buying the Oakley. So before going to Namba again, we decided nilaro na kain muna kami. So nilibre ko siya ng curry karaage with miso soup. The thing is, nung order ako, isa lang pala na order ko. So yun, order muna siya. We're done eating, so pupunta na kami ng Namba kay Glikuman. Titignan kami na yung sa A6 and stuff. So may nagpabili sa atin ng shoes which is a gel Kayano, A6. Dinaanan ko lang and then ikot-ikot ulit. We are on the way back sa Airbnb. Magpapahinga muna kami, recharge, and then later baga medyo dilim na, labas ulit kami para mag-dinner siguro kung magutom. Or if not, wala, ikot-ikot lang. Ito na yung kakaliwa tayo dito. I am going out for dinner. Mahanap ako. Wala, lakad-lakad lang. May nakita ako mga masarap. Pwede laban tayo. Tingnan natin saan tayo makakita. So apparently everything is almost closed. Kaya dito na kumain uli muna sa Nakao. And mamaya naman kakain kami ng Ichiran. So okay lang. Pantag gutom lang. We will be eating sa Ichiran 24 hours doon sa secret location. Di pala secret. Mayroong mga may alam, yung iba hindi alam. 24 hours yun. So, yun. Nag-aaway pa ito dalawa. Moist. Parang sa white lines mo, parang nakikita rin.
Hindi. Straight cleaner yan sa Canada, ganyan ang gamit ko.
We are now in Ichiran. Order kami. Yan sila. This is the order slip. Ingatan ba kami malaglag na ano? There is still a roughly 20 to 30 minutes na pila doon. Bakit? Dalawang ikot pa raw yun. So, tutulog muna ako doon. So, malapit na kami. Ito na yung Ichiran. Time check, it's 2:07 AM. Nihintay pa namin tawagin kami dito ng staff kasi wala pa akong seat. I'm finished with my ramen. Grabe. I ate 3 bowls of noodles and then 2 eggs, 1 Coke, and lots of water. So it's gonna be a good night for sure. And it's gonna be a bad toilet morning for sure. But worth it. Worth it yung pila naman sa baba going here. Yung sa amin mabilis na, it took about an hour. Roughly an hour. Pero on a normal time, on a normal day, minimum 2 hours ang waiting. So, ayan. Good night guys.